The OBP-3 is Aguilar's most flexible onboard preamp design, providing plus or minus 18 decibels of cut and boost at 40 Hz, plus or minus 16 decibels of cut and boost at either 400 Hz or 800 Hz, and plus or minus 16 decibels of treble cut and boost at 6.5 kHz. The OBP-3 has multiple wiring options, and can be wired with either a mini toggle or internal dip switch for mid-range frequency selection. The OBP-3TK per pp include separate treble, mid, and bass pots. The mid pot is push-pull for mid-range frequency selection. Bass control. Plus/minus 18 decibels at 40 Hz. Mid control. Plus/minus 16 decibels at 400 Hz or 800 Hz. User selectable frequency center. Treble control. Plus/minus 16 decibels at 6.5 kHz. Input impedance 1 MΩ. Output impedance 100 ohm 9 or 18 volts operation. Additional 6 decibels with 18 volts. Distortion 0.019 into 10 ohm load. Noise minus 95 dBm unweighted. Battery life 324 hours. Wire lead length 6.50 inches. Low noise discrete FET input stage, center detent 50K linear pots, with a dual concentric pot available. Dimensions 0.98 WXO.98 LXO.59D. Warranty 3-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Give a chance with this preamp according to all good reviews and videos everywhere. I decided to give a chance with this preamp according to all good reviews and videos everywhere. This preamp is just what I was looking for. The sound has these character that I love in a bass, low end with a good high end. This preamp has a push-pull pot for the mid-range center, 400 and 800 Hz, and this is perfect for get sound you want. The OBP-3 has a wide frequency range. I put it on a Sterling Ray 35 and now it seems to Stingray 5. I recommend it.